Have you watched those tutorials telling you that you could earn $600 every day just by typing names online? Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, I'm here to test it out so you could copy my method. In this video, I'm going to explore a unique side hustle recommended by a subscriber that claims you can make serious money with minimal effort. I'll break down exactly how this method works and if it's truly a viable way to boost your income. Stay tuned because I'll share some exclusive tips to maximize your earnings and avoid common pitfalls. Getting started. How would you like to earn money just by typing names online? Yes, you heard that right. It sounds almost too good to be true, but it's real, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Imagine you're sitting at your computer, typing out names like Katie and Will, and getting paid for it. It's that simple. For every name you type, you earn money. Here's the kicker. You could make up to $20 for a single page of names, $100 for 5 pages, and a whopping $400 a day if you type out 20 pages. There's no cap on your earnings. The more names you type, the more money you make. So, how much can you actually earn? Let's break it down using a simple calculator on the website. The going rate is 10 cents per word. For instance, each page might contain around 300 words. If you type a single page, you're looking at $20. Multiply that by the number of pages you can handle in a day, and you could be making anywhere from $400 to $600 daily. It's all about how much time and effort you're willing to put in. Now, where do you start? Head over to a site called talentdesire.com. This platform allows you to work from home and make money online without spending a single dime. Let's go ahead and check it out. First, open your browser and search for talentdesire.com. If you're there, you might notice a lot of ads, which can seem a bit off-putting for a job site, but stick with it. Scroll down and you'll find a range of work-from-home opportunities, such as online proofreading, freelance blogging, language translation, and online surveys. For today, though, we're focusing on online typing jobs. This is one of the simplest tasks available and doesn't require any prior experience or technical skills. On this site, you can find typing jobs that can earn you between $13,000 and $30,000 annually. This is a fantastic opportunity for anyone, anywhere in the world. Your pay will depend on your skill level, with rates varying from beginners to professionals. How to apply? Ever wondered how a simple typing certificate could boost your earnings online? This is a secret tool that not only increases your chance of landing jobs, but also connects you with high-paying opportunities. Think back to when you were learning to ride a bike. At first, it seemed impossible to balance and pedal at the same time. But with practice, you became more confident and eventually rode without thinking about it. Getting a specific certificate is a bit like that. It seems like a small step, but it can make a huge difference in your online career. So here's the deal. You can get a free typing certificate from a website called ratatype.com. I went ahead and signed up for a free account to see how it works. The process is simple. Once you sign up, you follow a few prompts to take a typing test. This will help you get a better understanding of your typing proficiency. This test measures your typing speed, accuracy, and word proficiency, and this might help you land better paying gigs on talentdesire.com. Now, once you've completed your typing test and received your certificate, head back to talentdesire.com. Scroll down to the section about online typing jobs and click on the link to apply. Fill out your profile with accurate details, including your typing test results. This will increase your chances of getting more typing jobs. You might be wondering why a typing certificate is so important. Well, companies and clients looking to hire typists or data entry workers often require proof of your skills. Having a certificate shows that you are serious and competent, making you stand out from the crowd. This simple piece of paper can open doors to higher paying jobs and more opportunities. Now that you have a typing certificate, it's time to put it to use. Going back to talentdesire.com, and after clicking the red button that says Apply Now, this will take you to a new page where you can start the application process for work-from-home jobs. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to apply. Number 1. Choose an application form and click the red link provided. Number 2. This will direct you to an online application page. Number 3. Scroll to the bottom and find the red link that says Apply and Work for Us. Number 4. Fill in your personal information, including your first and last name, email address, and phone number. Number 5. Agree to the privacy policy and verify that you are not a robot. Number 6. Click the Submit button. Once your application is accepted, you can start receiving typing jobs. These jobs can range from basic data entry tasks to more complex typing projects. And here's the kicker. With your typing certificate, you can often secure better pay rates and more consistent work. Imagine this. Instead of spending hours searching for freelance gigs, you have a steady stream of typing jobs coming your way. You can work from the comfort of your home, set your own hours, and watch your earnings grow. All because you took a few minutes to get that typing certificate. So, don't wait to take the test to get your free certificate. like it. Then head over to talentdesire.com and start applying for jobs. The job. Can you really believe that you can make $20 just for typing 300 words? Sounds too good to be true, right? I thought so too, which is why I decided to give it a shot on talentdesire.com. I mean, who wouldn't want to earn some extra cash with such a simple task? So, let's dive into my experience and see if this opportunity is worth your time. Imagine you're scrolling through job listings and you find one that promises easy money for minimal effort. You click on it, excited about the possibilities. That's exactly what happened to me when I stumbled upon this typing job. Following the instructions in a tutorial video, I selected a job title, filled out the application form, and submitted my details. The process was straightforward, asking for basic information like my availability and agreement to the terms and conditions. But here's where things get interesting. After submitting my application, I expected at least a confirmation email. Days went by and my inbox remained empty. No acknowledgement, no acceptance, nothing. It was like sending a message into a void. I started to wonder if this was all just a scam. You know how sometimes you follow a tutorial and it feels like you're getting nowhere? That's exactly how this felt. The videos I've watched ended without providing any further guidance, leaving me in the dark about what to do next. To make matters worse, the site was filled with ads, making me question its legitimacy even more. Despite my doubts, I decided to explore other options. I didn't let this setback discourage me. I knew there had to be genuine typing jobs out there, so I turned to other reliable platforms like Indeed and Upwork. A quick search on Indeed for online writing jobs in Texas revealed multiple opportunities for content writers, proofreaders, and transcriptionists. Upwork also showcased numerous freelance positions requiring similar skills. These platforms, unlike talentdesire.com, seemed promising and had a better track record. Here's the deal. If you're considering an online typing job, you need to be cautious. While some opportunities may seem appealing, they might not be as reliable as they appear. It's crucial to verify the legitimacy of the website and ensure it has positive reviews from other users. Don't waste your time on sites that are riddled with ads and provide no clear communication. Reflecting on my experience, I realized the importance of proficiency in typing and writing for securing these jobs. Genuine online positions require a certain level of skill and dedication. So, if you're serious about making online money through typing jobs, focus on improving your abilities and applying to trusted platforms. To sum it up, my attempt to earn $20 for 300 words on talentdesire.com was a complete bust. I didn't make a single dollar and ended up wasting my time. However, I hope my story helps you avoid the same mistake. Stick to reputable sites like Indeed and Upwork and you'll have a better chance of finding real opportunities. Remember, not everything that glitters is gold, so always do your research before diving in. And if you want me to try out different ways to earn money online, make sure to comment down below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more money-making guides.